Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to schedule your Instagram live video. If you are interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go to your Instagram app that has been installed from any of the devices. You'll see this page exactly. From this page, which is your feed, you have to go to your profile. For that, you'll click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now this is your profile, and from your profile, you have to click on the add-on icon that is there at the top right. You'll see this page under create. You have to click on the live, and now as this section appears, when you click on the live icon, you'll directly start your live session. And to schedule your live, what you have to do is just click on the calendar icon at the left side of your screen. As you do that, you'll reach this page where you'll start with adding a video title. So for example, I'll just add education session 101, and after that you have to click on start time. Now from this section you can set the day, date and the time according to your convenience and as per your schedule. I'll just set a random date and time, and after that just click on the done tab. Now you can see your schedule live video will appear on your profile. You have set the title with the time and click on schedule live video. Hold on a second, and voila, your live video is scheduled. And now after that you can either share it as a post or share later. So I'll just do share later for now, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video and being with us till the end. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.